This is how I make bracelets using a bead spinner. First, you're going to want to pick out your colors. It doesn't matter how many colors you pick, but the amount. It's good to have a lot of beads in there so it's easier for the hook to pick them up. You can see my amount is actually kind of on the lower side, and all it does is it just takes longer to do. Here's the string I use. I really like this string. It's strong and super stretchy like it says. After that, you're going to want to take your hook and then you're going to want to thread your string to the eye of the needle. There's a couple ways of doing this. You could have it face down, make sure the actual hook isn't scraping against the bowl. You kind of want to have it just slightly up so it catches on those beads. I personally like the other way, which I'm doing right now, which is just having it on the side. I feel like it catches my beads faster, but it's all personal preference. I usually work in little amounts of times and take little inches of beads and push it down in my hand, but after you get a good amount of beads, you're going to want to push it off the hook and onto the string. I didn't pay attention and this happened. It was so sad. Alright, trying it again. We're going to take the string off the hook. We're just going to slide it out. I actually wanted to add some pearls to this, and then after a couple pearls, I went ahead and I measured it, and we always make sure all our bracelets are the same size. I tie it off. I tie it about 3 to 5 times. I make sure I stretch it out too, so it's not going to break. And I go ahead and cut it. I actually really like how it turned out. I actually also have an automatic bead spinner, so if you guys want to see how that works, let me know.